Hello, welcome back to our home. I want to update you on my exercise and nutrition program, but before we do that, several of you have asked for more information on the clinical trial that I'll be participating in. I'm very fortunate in that my own neurologist, Dr. Ando, is the principal investigator for the study, which is a phase 3 study of the long-term safety, tolerability, and efficacy of apomorphine dissolved and absorbed under the tongue to provide a quick fix for people with Parkinson's or PWPs who experience OFF periods. Apomorphine injected under the skin under the brand name Apokyn has been approved and used for years to counteract OFF periods in PWPs. But this is obviously an inconvenient method of delivery. In this current trial, everyone gets the real drug. There are no sugar pills. You may have read in my posting a few weeks ago, after I was given the trial drug in the clinic under controlled conditions and when I was completely off the levodopa. The drug took effect in only 4 minutes. The effects were quite dramatic. The tremor in my right leg stopped immediately, and the dexterity in my right hand was simply amazing. Joy said she had never seen my handwriting so large. The effects of the drugs lasted for over 2 hours. We will return to the clinic on August 17th to repeat the previous test and to take possession of my supply of the drug. I'll be allowed to take the drug up to 5 times a day as needed. Of course, I will be receiving frequent blood and urine analyses and physical examinations. The trial is expected to last up to 5 years. I'm very anxious to get started, and I'll be sure to keep you updated from time to time. It's been a couple of months since we last visited on video. That was back in April when I came out with Confessions of a Slacker, the primary objective being to motivate myself by way of self-humiliation to get back on my exercise and sensible nutrition program. Well, I have to report to you that so many of you were so nice to express your empathy for the situation I created for myself that my motivation to get off my duff and back on my program went right in the trash can. It wasn't until the 1st of July that I finally got with the program. I'm now eating much more sensibly and exercising regularly, primarily walking. Last week I walked a total of 19 miles at an average pace of 3.6 miles per hour. You recall that my waistline had also become a bit of a distraction. I've lost 7 pounds in the past 5 weeks, which exceeds my goal of 1 pound per week. My goal is to stay on track and take off 8 more pounds for a total of 15. I step on the scales, but I haven't tried my old pants yet. I want them to feel really good when I put them on for the first time. I'm afraid they would still be way too tight right now, and I'd be disappointed and possibly discouraged. How do I feel? Better. I definitely have more endurance, more energy, and strength. I believe that my PD symptoms have moderated somewhat and that the levodopa seems not to wear off as quickly and the tremor in my right leg isn't as bad. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.